Hey guys, I was on Facebook tonight. Somebody had a question about the front forks on a GL1500, how much air pressure goes in them. So this is what you do. If you look down here, let me turn this around the other way. I won't do it. Okay, got this fancy cap right here. Yeah, just take that off just a little bit like this. Keep turning, keep turning, keep turning. And see that? You got a Schrader valve on there. Now, this is what you do. Now you put that back on there. I carry one of these with me all the time. Learned to do this when I had a Harley because that's how the back on my electric glide, my rear shock only took like so many PSI of air. So I bought one of these bad dogs on Amazon. I don't remember the link at this point, but basically I think it's 6 pounds of air max goes in the front of that, and you need something like this. You can't use an air compressor or a bicycle tire pump because what happens is once you get up to so high on there, once you start to take the valve off the Schrader valve, start to unscrew that bad dog, it's gonna let a bunch of air pressure out. So you need something like this from Amazon. There you go. And you put like 6 PSI of air in there. Something small like that. There we go, got the sides closed. There's one on each side. And I believe it's 6 PSI. Don't wanna go any more than that, but that's where you put it in. Mind you, mine is a 1999 Goldwing GL1500 SE. It's not the Aspencade. Aspencade might be different. It might not have that in the front. I don't know. Never had one. But that's mine. So there you go. Just a little heads up so you know what's going on. All right. Thanks a lot. If you have any questions, put a comment down below. If you have any other questions about a GL1500, maybe I can answer it for you. Subscribe. It's all good. Like the video. Thanks, guys. Take it easy.